me be honest with you, you don't need a large sum of money to start a clothing brand. You just have been told to run. If you have been waiting to start your clothing brand just because you don't have the money, you don't have a sewing machine or a shop, this video is actually what you need.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
I started my journey without having everything all figured out, but today I have my own clothing brand. I am Faiza, the CEO and founder of Ida Clothing, a female modest wear brand that has clothed over 1,000 female in Nigeria. I welcome you to this channel because this channel we're talking about everything about building your fashion brand from scratch, most especially if you have no beginner knowledge and you're just starting out. This channel is for you. Everything I share on this channel realistic guide and are things that I myself have tried and works for me. I'm still in the building phase, but I'm gonna tell you I am not where I was 3 or 5 years ago. If that sounds like what you might be interested in, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I share a new post. And I have some courses tailored for beginner fashion designer. If you don't have any basic skill, you don't have any sewing skill, and you feel like you want to learn it and you're not just outsourcing production, you can definitely send me a mail via my email at Pfizer@email.com. I'm gonna respond to the mail there and I'm gonna share the details of how to get started with you. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Most beginners think they need capital first before they can start. But what you actually need is clarity. You don't need a large sum of money to get started in your fashion brand. When I talk about the fact that you need clarity, what I'm trying to say in essence is that you have to ask yourself some specific questions like who are you designing for? What kind of outfit? What problem are you solving? If you are able to answer these questions, you're going to gain clarity. You will know the next step to take. The truth about this matter is that if you don't have this, if you don't have this clarity, even if you have the capital, it won't save your brand. It won't do the real work. At the end of the day, you end up wasting money, losing money, and still not gaining the direction yet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to gain clarity. Now, when I first started, I do not have that clarity. I was trying different things. I do not know. Capital was even out of the box. We were working. I got started with nothing because I don't have the money to invest. So I just knew that I want to do this. I had the passion for it. Then I didn't know I just had to start with clarity first, even if I don't have the money. I did not know what I was designing. I didn't know who my target audience are. I ended up doing different kind of things, trying out different things, and at the end of the day, I got overwhelmed, confused, and even burnt out. That I just had to take a break for the whole year. Here is me telling you that what you need is not even the capital first. It is clarity. A lot of people forget the fact that they have to start with the skill first and not just the equipment. I see a lot of people get stuck just because they feel like they have to get a lot of equipment in place before they can get started. Whereas what they need to do is to invest in the skill first, and then on the long run, the equipment can then come into place. When you're just starting out, the first thing you're gonna want to do is to learn the basics first. You don't have to learn the basics first, but if you feel like you are not really the learning type, or let's say you don't have the person that can even show you how to go about it, you can then work with a tailor or you outsource production. This is where you go to manufacturing company, you show them your designs, and then they help you make whatever it is you want to make. But if you're just starting, my advice to you is that you're gonna want to understand the skill. Even though you still have somebody doing most for you, you still have to understand the business so that they don't cheat you. You want to start small. And this is where a lot of people get it wrong. I say this every time whenever I have the space to whoever cares to listen to that. You're gonna want to start small. You don't have to have everything yet. You don't have to have everything all set up before you can get started. This creation of the fashion brand itself, it's more related to fashion designing generally. So like I do said, you want to start with understanding the business first. Starting small is basically the fact that you don't have to have a large setup. You don't have to have everything all set up before you can get started. You don't have to have everything all figured out. You don't have to have a big setup. Just having one or two designs. You don't have to have 10 outfits. You can just start with that. Then, yes, you want to focus on quality and not quantity. And you want to focus on your own identity because that's what's going to make you unique. When people see your designs, they're going to know that, oh, that's her, that's her. So that's how you grow. You have to start using what you don't have to have expensive tools before you can get started. With just your phone, a good natural light, and a nice background, then you're good to do. If you watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed to the channel yet, tell me what you're waiting for. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I share a new post. I'm building a whole series to help you start, build, and grow your fashion brand from scratch. Your customers are there to buy your idea, not your perfection. And that was how I did too. I did not start with expensive tools. In fact, I still have some of the tripod I had then with me because it's even useless that you can't even touch it out. Yeah. This one is very important because even big brands does this, and this is basically you selling before you scale. And this is where most people waste money. They want to have the big studio setup. They don't want to make the mistake. What you're gonna do is first post your design, get interest, sell based on pre-order, and this way you save money. I understand how confusing it feels starting with nothing. I've been there, not having everything figured out, doubting myself, but what changed everything for me is clarity. If you watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed to the channel yet, tell me what you're waiting for. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I share a new post. I'm building a whole series to help you start, build, and grow your fashion brand from scratch.